Oh, goodness.
Okay.
Oh.
You're fine.
I want to get that ball, Cody. I want to get that ball, Cody.
Let me, what's up? Here, pass me this.
Get the ball, Kata. I'm going to get that ball. I'm going to get that ball. Oh. Let me have it. Cody, come here. Drop it. Drop it. Cody.
You're not scared, Cody.
Cody.
Yes, I am.
You hear me? Arr,
Drop it.
You're not scared,
Cody.
bud.
It's like Cash.
Drop
Cash
it.
he's very intimidated. He's
Drop it. Cody. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Hey.
What happened?
What did he do? What did he do?
What is that?
Oh. Oh.
You sound how ridiculous you sound.
What? Cody, come here. Drop it. Drop it.
So funny.
Not. Drop it.
Gotta be quicker than that.
Drop it.
She's
Not.
taking too long
Drop
to
it.
kick it.
Thank you. Not.
Aw.
He is. He's good.
I know, you just want to kick it.
Okay. Did he take it? Oh.
Kick the red one.
Okay. Let's take this one.
Not gonna want to play with that one. We're gonna post this. Why are you playing with a baby with dog toys?
While he's growling. Because I know people don't know who he is. Or how he is. Cody. Cody.
The baby's gonna do something with my ball.
2, 3, kick.
Yay!
Yay.
Good.
That's so cute. Go get it, dog.
Oh, 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 I missed. I missed.
She cried.
Oh. Drop it. Let me see. Drop it. Thank you.
Good boy, Cody.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
What? You want to kick it to Cody? What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh. Oh, goodness.
Kata, lay no fuss.
Grumpy girl.
Oh, goodness. Oh, feel my mommy. Oh, my granddaddy. Oh, my granddaddy. You gonna eat the camera?
Even when she
Oh,
cried.
oh, oh, oh. Oh, goodness.
Kata, hey,
Look,
Kata.
there's granddaddy.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Hey, Daddy coming in the room.
No, I didn't mean it.
Those little lips. Oh, I heard that.
Was that a fluff? I heard that.
Good fluff. Ladies don't fart, we fluff. Huh? Say little girls fluff. Say we don't fart, that's a bad word.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Whoa. Say hi, granddaddy.
You're
Oh, your sock's falling off again.
all the time.
Again. Sweet.
Alright, enough of Grumpy Girl.